ये आगे अपना
On your right.
थैंक यू
ma'am.
With it. So it gives us great privilege and honor to have a beautiful queen here. You want to, everyone saying hi to you.
No, I wanted to
Yes,
say
sir.
I don't want to blink my eyes.
Yeah.
Let it be open.
Let it be wide open, sir. Wide open. This is the moment. We love this spirit, sir. Thank you so much. And absolutely ravishing and stunning. I know you all waiting to hear from her. So sanitize mic live, bhai sahab. Sanitize mic. Because Chunky Pandey sir ki tarah ma'am also say, get my mic sanitized. So Anusha. Yes, please. So we have Shubham. Thank you, sweetheart. I know Vedant. We have Shubham and Vedant, both the sons of Pavanji and Anusha, who are like really a stepping stone for this wondrous event. हमारी तो बोलती बंद है. जो कहना चाहेंगे आप ही कहिए.
अच्छा, यहाँ पर किसी के आंखें बंद नहीं हो रही, मैं मुंह ही बंद कर लेती हूँ. It's better.
नहीं चलेगा.
अभी मूड नहीं है. I think the last 2 years have been really difficult for every single person. So when one holds a function like this and you see people gathering together, mindful and yet a little scared to step out of their cocoon and still make it over here, as the world is slowly opening up, I can only say that I wish every one of you have a healthy and prosperous life ahead, and be safe and let Corona go away and not touch any one of you over here. So God bless you all.
That's such a beautiful message.
So good to see you, Bhageshri. ये इस सम्मान के बारे में जानना चाहूँगा. ताकि मुझे पता है कि फिर भी आपको बारे जानना है.
First of all, what Anusha is doing is a wonderful job, wonderful for her foundation. Giving back to earth is so important. So Mega Foundation and Anusha, thank you so much for this lovely award that I've got. I think हर किसी इंसान को वही करना चाहिए जो घर से शुरुआत करे चैरिटी. और चैरिटी का मतलब ये है कि भाई हम जैसे पैसे की चैरिटी करते हैं उस हिसाब से नहीं, लेकिन दिल से, प्रेम से, प्यार से इस पूरी दुनिया को हम सींचे बढ़ा के, और we give back to Mother Earth what Mother Earth has been giving back to us. So we help nature, we help it grow, we help sustain it. बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हर एक वॉरियर जो सामने काम कर रहा है उसे एक प्रोत्साहन मिले, that they continue doing good work.
आपका क्या तरीका है इसके समाधि करने का? आप कैसे आपका बिल्कुल यूनिक तरीका है. हम बोलते हैं.
Well, I do holistic healing. So इसका मतलब ये है कि जो आपके किचन में चीज़ें हैं उससे आप अपनी तबीयत सुधार सकते हैं. आपको किसी अतिरिक्त चीज़ की जैसे मेडिसिन वगैरह की ज़रूरत नहीं है अगर आप अपनी हेल्थ का ध्यान रखें. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट वी कैन ऑल टेक केयर ऑफ आवरसेल्व्स विद minimalistic things, what are there in our kitchen, what is there in our surroundings, what we have within ourselves. So, well, that's what they've given me this for. No, I think it's something that everyone should learn to do in their own houses, taking care of each other, taking care of yourself. What's sustainability is you try and make your life with things around you, around the ecosystem, and help the ecosystem grow. अगर हम artificial products use करते हैं, अगर हम हमारे नेचर या सराउंडिंग्स को छोड़ के कहीं और जाके वहाँ से चीज़ें लेके आते हैं, so many times we are spoiling the ecological balance. So अगर अपने देश की चीज़ें अपन यूज़ करें. We have what is there within us and we heal ourselves, we heal Mother Earth. So yes, thank you. That's it now.
With the award.
With the award.
Thank you. He wants to do a picture.
Hi everyone, I'm so happy to receive this award today as it's the Mother Teresa Earth Icon Award and it's for a cause that is too close to my heart, protecting our planet. I'm really honored and I'd like to thank Dr. Anusha Srinivasan Iyer and the Make Earth Green Award Foundation. It's really heartwarming to be held in such high regard by the people who are consistently dedicated towards the cause of the environment. I myself have been a part of their tree plantation drive in Mumbai very recently to undo the damage done by Cyclone Tauktae, and I look forward to many more such opportunities where we can fight for the planet together. I really want to take this opportunity to encourage the youth to make small changes in their lifestyles that will help us to conserve our environment and our planet, and to remind them that change begins with each individual, and that means you. I would have really loved to be there, but unfortunately I'm not shooting in Mumbai. I'm away from the city. But please know that this award truly does mean a lot to me. And remember, we can have plan B, but there's no planet B. Thanks again and my best wishes to everyone present there. Lots of love.
Yeah, you can.
हो गया? मैम जो किया मैम जो किया आप चलिए
चल डन, आज वापस आते हैं. ये खत्म करूँ मैं, उसके बाद करते हैं.